In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Discord so your friends can see what you're listening to and even join your music session when supported. The setup only takes a few minutes, and once it's connected, your Spotify account will automatically appear on your Discord profile. To get started, open the Discord desktop app on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, look toward the bottom left corner of the Discord window and click the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings. This is where you'll find all of your account preferences, including the option to connect third-party services like Spotify. In the left sidebar, scroll until you find the Connections section, then click on it. The Connections page allows you to link supported accounts so they can work seamlessly with Discord. Connecting Spotify makes it easy to share your listening activity with friends without needing to update your status manually. Inside the Connections page, click the Spotify icon. Discord will immediately open a new browser window, asking you to sign in to your Spotify account if you're not already logged in. Enter your account credentials, then carefully review the permission request before continuing. This authorization allows Discord to communicate with your Spotify account so it can display your current listening activity. Click the Agree button to allow Discord to connect to your Spotify account. Once the authorization is complete, you can close the browser window and return to Discord. The connection should only take a few seconds to finish. Back on the Connections page, you'll now see Spotify listed as one of your connected accounts. If you want your friends to know what you're listening to, make sure the options for Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status are both turned on. With these settings enabled, the music you're currently playing on Spotify will automatically appear on your Discord profile, making it easy for your friends to see what you're enjoying. If the connection doesn't appear right away, try restarting Discord or disconnecting and reconnecting your Spotify account. It's also a good idea to make sure both Discord and Spotify are updated to the latest version, since outdated versions can sometimes cause connection problems or prevent new features from working correctly. Keep in mind that if you want to use Discord's Listen Along feature with friends, everyone participating will generally need a Spotify Premium subscription for the feature to work properly. And that's all there is to it. Your Spotify account is now connected to Discord, allowing you to share your music activity with friends and enjoy a more social listening experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,